Tolman boy, but Akonamilo, Bato, Dache, Agoma, and the Clerk, Bristler, si Yapolo, Bato, Cabal Community, Michael, Settlement, Yadikade, each Commission Pro, Niaro Q, Mizoranga, Big Apona, Kaya Joyos, Achasham, Kakana Payapologatashi to Yokoshua Tom, the Fia, the Nugazon Gobrea, the Koran Kaklom, Yatusha Kaule, India, the Matuto Bokona, I don't be able to go in the Fidato, and by Minya Bemiano Piaro, Colonel Lechem, Perfajin, Tia, Chumoka to Babacar, and I put Paramari, Camilla, and a couple who are now Catomawa. You get a material by Bati, what about a room? And we are the two now to a two and I say you will go. Yapremiachi, Yaoma. Girl, then we are two mozo, Nama Yimba, Amadaku, we are not chongama. A maker who heard Amukanto Mafia, Ikato, Mozo Nano, and Josia, Yinyang, Mapo, Tomatani, Pristiges, or Toyanama to the Mago Cho, no Yako, precisely. You have a community in Miami, Canada, motivational, I open Yanaka. Afi Abologina so as well as I mean, get back to motivational second. I work on material transmission. This is a thing that is morning edition of shows. Talking about what is your host, and I'm doing that from now till the top of the hour 10. Get interactive on 0242670773. Now, linear na shay, nyako, chuchu messages so beto. Miona mato Facebook, ijibe wanano gbaron kaka refunu kaka jita ida Facebook na like Jimmy 0242670773 number kana telmasa acho ano je play pialo alo na Facebook or na je bring that in Facebook like share comment always remember to like share comment atabe ko TV yakana na Facebook akre ada lo fiami Ibrahim na mi jmema mi no kukana no ida Facebook and then a wonko le afuna. All right. Motivational message. Chatarima mona na ya you can watch me, mock me, block me, or join me. What you cannot do is stop me. You can watch me at your own. Allo, I'm your own. The Kemachol metoy. Ataku. Ataku, Adusuna, Aduwe. Atem, Atwa Burenjin, Fungibo, a dog bull, lion, political blockmates, jailmates. Or join me. Alone, I got Parachini, our capable. But what you cannot do is stop me. Jadagoya, when you over the chata, do move it general, bridge you on I am. I said it. Motivational message.
Yeah, the very Ako sometimes de me do mi me ape ma te wan we enyi ni ma te no me fi ba me de fu na to be sa be e ti ki me na se ma ko no to futa ma ba glo ne bo me ga no to follow me no aku hatata enyi fe ma te mi lo ke mi nye be me ko le e me glo na ni si be me ko lo e me cho e be me be ma na le ko o be sa be ko de bi ne to ko fu na me ko to che ko le me ke wa aha abe na mi che be ni glo mi ne ho abe me glo na o me se ni ba advice la ni ma ka ko na o aha e ga ko le ni to gbe che be ma ko le mi no to fu ka e de ga ni ma ta wa ko ne be ma wa to le mo me na o be fu to so aha that is it àwọn àtàgbọ̀n ní àdìsẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ka tó mẹ́ka tó tẹ̀wẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ na wa mẹ́ga wa nù kéke ẹ̀wà na onyu síbẹ̀ kò ní ayé.
Yes. Ale kana to ma ko ma like it. Isi mi le kika ma via ama go boom. E ko e do ma ba wala kuri. Ana mo sum de. Kafla ni ma go ni mi ato, alo mi onto mi ate to akere. E gela go. E is no man's land.
Yeah.
We are here to us. Akata ma to me biari. Amaro lugolo ano chite ano mango chite ako lutu brashi iko wa ko kakae no ene show ma ulla lutu brashi ko o ma ko gana duma eu gana duma kila yo kero pero wo ma le sukujo ya fa fa ko ma chite mo no mikro ma no ngo kamera ma no ngo menyalo no kamera mo be ka ko to mo we po you na ka mo si vijina mo Dakar, Nkina feel Nkina feel for that. All these kind of naysayers, Mahama, Satan company. Satan, dog artist. I'm a dope, I'm a dog bill. I'm a Mawana, what would we are not political, or your top, they will all block, you're frustrated. I like politics. Politics, and church, I'm a rich in a fine. Tacomo like you. Arabacafla, you judge the stage, and your papa.
I know you let you check up over.
Scatabiano who micro hatching or also focus also on two dosh. Kaka. Television. So the proverbial lion says, you can't stop me.
Oh, you can't stop for sure.
You can't stop me. Mbakata bromo ya nyuma nya beji mu hirashi front pattern you can't stop me. Yeko problem yet. You can't stop me.
Unless you tell me mama talk.
Yes. So what you cannot do is stop me. That motivational message for today is tell yourself you can't stop me. No one can stop me. And that concludes the motivational message of our show. The proverbial lion says, you can watch me. I can't even come back, but I want a signature. I want a phone call. Oh, Bomber for Mamma. Bombokemo sumo.
Lift the one now the crown now.
She know. You can identify me. Inhaler. Signature on a passport. But when I'm writing passport, I won't. Oh, stamp arrangement, stamp machine. Or business stamp arrangement. Big kind of business machine. You come up stamp passport again. You go here go need passport. You got travel visa application on that stamp go visa. You go here American. Your mother and you now visa qualify or kaka go stamp arrangement and have it as a business stamp. Elisenko $1,000. Elisenko $500. Tama rokra na we na matuto kra nyo. Nso me lelo. Makata no ko problem le. Ye chiovio, tasi bi nyervi. Tama rokra you just na we na matuto kra nyo. Imagine ko matora de ga ba bi am pass ma ko ko jamu ya korana. Kaka with this fan TV. Kaka na mo. So, strong mile and Makaiba Mumian Cosapia on strong. Just don't be stoppable. The burnout, sort of burnout, bow. Ofi, I can't you lose election. I has it. Hold on, yeah, we could lose election. Though, Vafia, we are constituency secretary now, MVP. You have as chairman, who perish as a yapper. Though yapper, I'm over against Boren Bunyaman, a journal and DC, a journal and don't stop, keep moving. And that is the motivational mission. In young New York, it's a lot for me.
Yeah.
I'm a Lila, will qualify. I go on your way. I'm a sure that I'm a Pombo in your career. I'm going on if you have Pombo career, I was married because yeah, no, you're on call. That's a motivational message for today. I've me getting young with you, I'm a role of banana blood after one regime. When you have sponsors, yeah, me, sponsors of couple and community at home. You got your TV about me, business people, roll and go. You got to pay me actually. Honorable Richmond and then if you put those in yourself, you can MP. The mamma if you have a big campaign on you, big bubble MP, Namica. You could be a woman. Everything all over young 024 2670773. I like your show. No, Namica finish. When you were NPP or NDC channel, no. I'm on the draw. All right, so we go for a break.
Oh, no silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a caracas so fi the passing K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, a low language, Nanya make a maneuver by few, and be a strong but Praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a nanya by the Mujura Po, and be a strong but Baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. Place order le Amazon a low number can a follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if African la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akwa no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sportswears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 256300.
I go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Không còn thế mà. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tôi quỷ. Ta nhà chú mà tra đi tôi. Một vài nhà vua mà sắp bật khơi là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Những mà thằng mà chung. Mà nó chỉ có vụ.
Tadi nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hasbena di dile no namfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontam nyan kuranwa. Mola pasi ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bon. Mà nó chỉ có vụ nó biết lo.
Vai batakalo subo. Ita mi ga dade fi kremon tonto. Mola pati ke wa busielo wetofia.
Bây giờ vô là tô bông, nhưng mà nó chỉ cá cổ, mất bông giờ.
Vô là chỉ cá nó nộp lợ, nó zama, phi vả nó kama fura ganao, mà sao mà nó gì?
Nhà phải做到我来做到 fita， ita 你啥vô là chỉ cá，nhà tụi mà tao rồi ha， 我是vô là chỉ cá phục vụ chỉ gì là mà.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mà una ira vô là tao, ona la masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina ne miayi Vola eba senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valao Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto maganda Mele tomo nyidewa Eti makolo no ba Na ile Vola eba senta Ikele jengo apla Victoria Baka Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukame Wofukame tutu dokada Vola heba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneva Akodo Come on Vola
Vola Yahweh son Banami Banami Bagati before we are in high trouble. Indiana Wanya to Panje Nyaji Paye Misona Canare and the Kamia will come here. And the Bobby here. Pretty. Hold on now.
Yeah, get there. Govideo.com. Democracy under attack. Demo votes as Mahama honors Omani with cenotaph. Mahama unveils cenotaph for fallen defense minister. Apenyumakin slams down to her over petitions now. Stella Amejome jailed for 3 years. Kolebu emergency. Take again. Kolebu emergency under great pressure. Yeah, that's for govideo.com. Aje gomechu Kolebu. Obemi ape Koganjile again Kolebu teaching hospital. Me abite me ame. Mobile emergency dem. Ele great, ele under attack. If you have pressure le wejile fuma. Maybe nurses over subo alo over equipment away that pressure le wejile fumi. Then we got
emergency ward, emergency unit where you have normal over, I'm also going to it's really bad. I think we should read that because and yet don't tell her. I like an agent on Colibri. I got work banner to money boy, politician to a democracy, mini. You know what to do. Like just a human interest story. Colibri battles under sudden emergency patient load. Nayigoide.com. Ghana's foremost referral facilities battling under the weight of an escalating public health crisis as Colibri Teaching Hospital grapples with unprecedented congestion in its accident and emergency department. The facility, originally conceived for a nation of fewer than 6 million, now contends with a population exceeding 32 million, a demographic surge that has far outstripped infrastructural expansion. And according to Dr. Henry Boulay, the head of the Accident and Emergency Department of Colibri Teaching Hospital, the dissonance between population growth and healthcare provisioning has precipitated systemic overstretch. In an interview with the Ghana News Agency, Dr. Boulay, or Henry Boulay, in your Dominican corner, Afukubata, where Jojo, Allo Jaikel, Colibri, Ayo Colibri, I'm 6 million Pelegana. Colibri out to Yonya Chute, Puma, Yaroni Bagna, I'm 6 million Pelucan. If you have about 32 million, I can't call it Gualiola, Macoga. If you have more support, I mean, Ponobia, I may have a human on your Jordan, Ataka, Tanyaka. I don't call it. Obono chemotherapy, nay. I just talk about over Namilon was going. Namilon, no, CPG for 3 days. And got a talk with the organ. Be at the girl like the Tommy Patago and I talk Namilon, but now no CPG. Or shall my Fiago, the Oval and you. The Oval and who Chiaro, cancer, I go Chiara, you chat better. Was the Pomali, theatrical session, emergency talk, oh, I should have you if you want me have a Puma, shaman, no moment of you. I'll know the name the club Bamamushi, your today. Tell me,
Give me a whiskey.
please. I'm making to learn the good. After you Canada. Me or Jim. Aka mi betaka woman kapo le bia ko le nyogo amoyo supply here o 25 million amoyo ko mo ko ta amoyo ko ushering the protocol how go guy 2 million koji ko mi aka 2 nesu ye le ko fi ata amo ko to nesi so bolo jamle
sales girls
necessary pure com but bumde amucho kataro kokuma mokoto and pun somebody menya nesare nyonya bana pun nenye ala nesare la hosita community to new washing the church na kwatu to kenke jama nenya jide no we are doing nyata para pa ko do kambra be na hosita na dia fuma tututu ika washing bele kuna kenke tonea Lizzie. Degree, graduate nursery. Okay, Jango. Kumia Zega, Aga to Koji, Anya annex, and no extension. What could doctor here that from my club next day or that? This is a country program. These people. That I never showed you a politician so come down with my people the show. Whether in this UMPP, I don't care about this people. I'm serious minded people.
And what is that? Jebe mi popolo. What is that?
Fio God will agree.
Never need a couple to me. That is all. Democracy under attack. Demo votes as Mahama honest Omani with Senator.
Me get activity, you know, like and one or you I just go on about the most shamusu. But the more over fake the money, as on the money, I love what you pack on you Nima. Bonova, Nova. It was a mammoth crowd. Video so the layer, Miatano, Dafa, Monaco, Mika, the democracy and attack democracy. Interesting time for the government, and trust me, we are agents or catalysts of change in society. The Miomi Blomatrona. The Miomi Blomatrona Kavla, Yante Chirono, Gahoma Moshi, Jeju, Wondrono, Bohon, Jetlet, by the fine paro, Bagachijo, Yenao, Akayo Kaka, the apologia, Make, Nikutani. Government money, government money, court money, Kakobunya, Gofumora. So Najo is and we are seeing that we need some changes. That video on your TV again, a job the more the elders, 2 man will pay each other.
I told you black and red. We will card where I see. Over with this vim like they are in for business. And when you crowd view Pulu, when normal demonstration give me corner method, or no kaka tell me go one kaka. No, like this one, all a message they cover and over with full vim. So I think they are not ready to let go of freezing a whole demonstration or anytime soon. And giving me the camera break.
Okay, me call it TV or the new communal placard. So we are talking about the situation now. The new third term agenda by Mahama unconstitutional. In the card, new communal placard soji, but who Majimania will know already. I'm a little more actual. Mahama. Third term agenda by Mahama unconstitutional. The counter package. Mahama to Coca-Cola. But you so. Yama over me, Billy. About
and Mahama himself read out for 2 statements.
I met to a former cover. Listen to me.
Okay.
Met to a former cover.
Okay.
Okay. Crowd Ima Echo. There was a serious crowd.
Oh, very, very serious.
It was a serious crowd. So this is a signal to government.
Now
we are coming with a carry a borokataji. I'm going to go there. Name that child you like Jamaica, but you will not go back. You will not do what you should have making independent. It's not good for government. You are going to have problem if you don't take communication seriously. Mama, but can tell me, you not take on to have but you talk about the which in your old man. You know, old man. Let's wait to see what the old man said. The book Bromber, mere Mamma, when you are Brogola, constitution. Me, Bronya, Kaba, me, Trafo, me, Kaba. Ozing people via Supreme Court, Ogonia, Supreme Court, Plato, Maki, how much one court. I feel never go Bromber, what are you talking about? Yeah, they want to come. So please, watch that issue. Do something about it. About police, not
oh no.
Ta no nyao broma mola. If you never say that is politics. Politics as a science. Buabe de nyasemene, buabe de nana oncho me kake arrogance not acceptable. Me get go, me go and go. That's the bamotra. We are okay with that. Me akung yo kung the placard soji. The karaka. Third term agenda by mama unconstitutional. The kanye galamse abai. Galamse government. Ye who we did. John. Galamse abai. Okay, the honey. But I'm not coming from my year. I kafla. Kuno. Kula jimani. Ye metesona. And when I did kafla you bafa. Wo interview be. Miaka senga ke bafa go. Obie bafa ma bari nkakai over demonstration alone. Let's listen to what he said. Let's listen to what he said. Okay, ka obie be nka tai odoba ebe injustice. Yeah, go injustice. And what do you think this thing stands for? I'm going to need a gamel over ghetto boys who newspaper ghetto boys who chum. Okay. Ta the Boglomba na amule pipi. What I have from the ghetto boys or little good.
Oh, this is too much. This is too much.
And you see, wake up. And the way courts are for justice, not for political revenge. Wo bongo bode afia chuchu. Afia chuchu choju itai olido. Mwenye babiata. Adonye hostel fees too high. Ala hofia. Fifia mo tuko. Amadaku ko tuko. Obo yo ga khonage amege lu chidora lo expression pledo.
Di kale here anyame. Ele here anyame. Only hold that Jiboko. Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single rooms self-contained. About 3 buildings. Then you are going to be my high school will be high. So teachers go have o transfer with you to the area be the coach. My high now. Be school will be high.
Ela be dayogeza a hongo repair of 1,000 cities. Because school yo move o ba gerem. Ya ke na chicha e ma you go the be fia guy of my go at 400. Ela be ya you
monthly.
Yeah, kaflalo yo hufia mole afi gako imagine how the 30 days back rubbish money around and hello teacher even be that teacher boy I mean I'm a shaman even you don't get dollar and got big on bullshit man and where are they so let me get on that muscle that we could get the wall you could to building to walk after to call the care I'm a moment to high because school your woman never done on a home get no view mother do not go get a tell it all on you know mother do not go get a fungi fish in you know when I hide a school you but see government should act there should be hostels there should be houses university houses alone on halls of residence. Make that to you has without hall of residence. You understand? Government should act. Be smart. Then you equal for hall the university. That's a traditional hall of residence. Commonwealth hall of residence. Sabah hall of residence. Government big doy. Because universities are established by act of parliament. Me kuga sensible things so me if you want to ask to the bereka. Alors, this is the job of journalism. You dare not tell me that we should not criticize government. That should be nonsense.
The facts should be told.
Ministry, but don't your hostels fees are too high. And never had easier because that is how we do reports on these things. What are the people saying on the placards? That is journalism. No more harassment, no no more persecution. Now, I don't want to know or think that harassment is somewhere.
Okay.
And your miracles about you where I'm at you if a case the car and you know and your case the car, my NDC people how Okunya Koikota, Judge Alafio Belama, civil servant.
Okay.
I look at Donna Jiru, NDC people, yeah, Jiru dollar. Never the Mabani, a over salary, 30,000 above, 300 million above. There are no job pay slip over. If you obey Lama, ye die a mama, obey the local police question for 9 months. Hey, if this is true, you should be shocking. You are playing with our destiny. Let me photo Ghana, make a time refugee. So, we are not going to allow these kind of things. 30,000 won't do any cost them day for full 30,000. But the court
this is wickedness.
And over civil servant. Now Gigi you do like 300 million. Did you have money direct at the GRA?
And I mean, like how would he get into contact with those people?
Now, it's one thing getting the person, it's another thing the person being ready to sign.
Yeah.
That jam dog who director, whoever the money 30,000 but I pay servers like when as the and you see, this thing did not DC, even Nana for what I know is severe conditions or lower. Kakadi, look over a much of Chomaka, and you understand how much Chomaka, and the reason why I myself at your polar don't much know. Now you hold it on Toma. I'm a placard that she made a placard that is polar too much. That is a good evening Ghana host. But as a journalist, I can sit back. Hey, Jimu natural Nana do not for Ronald lose the election. Mahamanava, TV3 was trained. Because TV3 was doing so well in pointing out the wrongs of that. Okije Topole, Sami Gemfi, Sam George Okata, TV3 non afuma, elegy every time Mali Baulafuma. But I can assure you that the way things are going, channels like that are just merely praising them will not work. Fear, we be doing at the word. Ni a major commercial NDC. Kaka. And why you got a much TikTok so now my juame the carry by jail you I can't carry my papa.
Yeah, that's the truth.
You understand? I'm as a journalist here, people may Jew. I don't think you should jail me. Mablonko, and I'm going to say Mablonko, what I never heard as a fine.
Yeah.
Abo Halamashi. Yeah, never happened the Conglema. I'm not talking nonsense.
Oh, yeah.
For that means Dimino in a belly. Can I eat a jail?
Oh, yeah.
Kakama drama quite a jail. What are you talking about? A Jubobo Gomi Junana. I have been a host even when Nana was president. And Jua. I and this is Doa and Jua.
Anyway, go social media. Oh no,
I'm a P, I'm a Rodon, I'm a John.
See the enemy you when I have a picture that I excuse me, so I go gorilla have a picture. Those things were there. Ojui. It came. Ojui. Nana dear. Yam pete kuni midwi.
Me akbelo me hamelo. Because me post na ko oko ashi hotel nana. Na te tojojo loko. Ebata offer alkabe 8. We understand we as journalists onye cartoon crime we come stories
yes.
Oyonamba satire and cartooning is part of print media. So Namare Lafia, you're best saying the history of journalism. Go and read. You must say history of journalism. Then you not know what we are doing. Please. They mean Share Mahama. Maybe Share Mahama. Well, about 25 economy. So when I go to Amona in the trauma, Yamomi Sema.
You don't even get it.
So please. That them agenda and constitution, we can leave that. We can leave it. Let's go back to where just pick one more story from there. Let's see how it goes. Okay, no, Debubu set up that.
Foreign defense minister.
Me, I know what I know. I don't know what someone else knows.
Yeah.
I am going to say. Me, na kuna matata le TV ajile bara otadia. The popogo mammoth crowd la fuma. Yamare be garamse abai. Mahama Dobrobe, what makes fighting galamse difficult is the people in the party are also doing.
Yes.
We are called chairman on tape. Okay?
Yes.
Chairman in NDC on tape. But I say one in an investigative report. We beg it. But what makes it fight galamse where avoir as a system à la baie? I'm on the party.
Oh yeah.
Nana do that for fun where I buy in here, I buy here.
I didn't do that.
Professor African what help me report back that we try again. Then you lose election. We want me to more time about that I can mama. Democracy and attack. Yet money go on that we demonstration because now I know money I'm a trend. It didn't trend. All over people's phones. It didn't trend.
What? Mabiano?
Yeah, money go back. Mood Canada Yamakoni. Yeah, even you show money go on model. We 7 years looks president.
Okay. It was even any Mutala. Okay, which man will be Mutala will come say. So why is he the only one being acknowledged or something?
Mahama Gunyamato. He stood with him. Mahama Murkala. No. Omani Buama stood with me in defining moments.
Okay.
In our political journey.
Okay.
Very like in administration le election time many but what I want to say is that he stood with me in defining moment. Yet I was
yeah.
That is NDC talk. NDC talk. In acting defense, because there's no replacement for him. Whatever, please. Man,
I got replaced it.
No, you were falling hero. He was not. No, I'm a faller. That's military language. Military was a falling hero. Nah, do you understand?
Should be JJC.
So, well, he's a minister of defense, but he's a medical doctor by profession for information. And a former NUCS president. ML level 200, Umani Bowman level 600. So, maybe he should go down than me by 6 years. A good idea. Yeah. So, maybe he was NUCS president. But he was an NPP man.
Those days.
NPP NUCS president.
Okay.
He was anti-JJ Ronnies. I think before now the senators are not going on well. You're going to form interparty and you prats, which is practically how my according in those days. I was a student. Let's put that aside. Omani Bama originally was NPP. So many do not popular Volta party and not like I help even help my defense minister and you know, me and two years as a journalist, but help craft even go at the bar.
Oh yes.
I can Mutala and my Pan-African TV. GTV. TV3. Metro. Hey!
Yeah.
Tanya, you was so bad. Let's take it like that. Me children. Nyanya, baby, a choma. No guy. But Tata organ or Tata organ and Muta Erika, Umani Guamahani. Musabe, I'm a member of Conadi. Mesebe, our number, what banaga, ukata konache. Me, Bamona, no terefma, the picture, better. Ta betata on America, meet the Bubunjinya with the Mutamba, Bunji. Gakeri. Ni Mijimia safe anywhere, we need a minister of defense.
Oh, yeah.
I say what I do, but Jeja, Toto, Pacha, Halayon, Pacha, Pushi. Ewunkuru, Sashi, hypocrisy, JJ Rollins, Toby, JJ Rollins, not from a Yimba, over Mama, take them over JJ Mo, take them. Sashi, hypocrisy.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, big Paka Garino up to community, we
daily guide.
Okay.
Lawyers protest selective court vacation sitting. NDC says December 19.
Togo placard so ready. Mejiba mo when you put placard so you placard so mikora no. Okay, so America that I'm saying about the cover hostel feels too high. The cover stop the abuse of powers. Free speech under siege. Stop the abuse of powers. 24-hour economy, yeah, achieve go. Okay, the mobile tribunals, kangaroo courts, the cover no harassment, the cover we will not be silenced. Remember, Rodrigo, Plato. The kind of 24-hour economy, way in a chigu, the kind of gold board, gold board plateau. Sami Jimfiani need for the democracy is not a crime. Yeah, that's a good one. The kind of hostel, yeah, so no kata hostel fee. So, Mabella who I mean, if you have a church, if you have a chamber, a whole giga, bob, a chattel card, that all 1,000. That document, a giga. Allo le fiare atuho who are no capon tebe and nobody tests anything about it. What have we done to deserve that time? I'm a Roman Mama Wafi, Mama, me put Janata Compo, take them. I don't get it. I am group parliament. Guy over there was for Tribunals Kangaroo Court. No more harassment, no more persecution. You will not be silenced. Gakonowe. Nous chiens Bible comme kata team arrivé. Tane ni okata promo mission ha ni okata won NDC la ebola ni ara hebe. Ala begre ka NDC bana jujo.
Oh sure.
Madu to ya tebano. President okata do president kema admire bo. Baba bolo ma yifia ro. Bo ba ye ya. Enyina na do ran kwa kufado. Bia meketa. Anya mita ma admire at that time. Ye Abo journalist manya. Or the cat for her. The Mabili Paraba para Mabili Nana those days.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to be baseball. You may touch a little and
you have to Gidaro, Mamaki, Tanya, Nabo, Yamakomania, remember Garipo.
Oh yeah, blame to be step.
Yamaro Galimano, Yamafiamo.
Gary is live. Okay.
Me for the Mango, for Pravina residency.
Opome than I pay, I think I more time.
Me, I receive people maybe for nothing. Can I Benaza, the minister? Me, the oh, make the few member Mango, remember. Over me, I have to make I go follow. So before I did I don't believe Nana. Because I know journalism. I'm a journalist. You understand that? Those are the things I'm interested in. So much so that if you know I listen to.
Especially
before I don't know who's don't tu na kutokana na vida na kana kungwa de takvia le kutabo
Many are go bachi, I no call it don't time on before young boy.
I fell into give me check with you. It's a stage where Jesus.
When you come to me, I need just to go on that.
Go check with which one I am here. But I pay for it's okay.
Time maybe by the end of this. And see, me no meet Tony at the Bible. Second term year over, you have over 4 more, 4 more for Nana. I don't care, 4 more for Nana. Is a winner, is a winner, is a winner, 4 more is a winner. And we will 4 more for Nana. You know that market. You're going. According to Fifi Kwete, Honorable Fifi Fiabi Kwete, General Secretary of the NDC, that is sycophancy or psychophancy and bootlicking. To understand those 2 words, go and read social studies at Kiola. In senior high school, alone at school government, alone at the political science department level, or any other school, you understand those 2 words. Psychophancy. Nana brepete, Nana blue. It is psychophancy. Nana blue. Nana rekete. Abo paloma ko mu. But small girls so small young girls so pura mule tan. Nana blue, Nana rekete. Nana, that's a psychophancy.
Nana blue.
Blemanya wemo government democracy kebi a global kebi nami kebi a boba soso mina soy 50 neble talk NDC go talk everything go talk aleike bloggers so juna nava year yen chipo jumo le ma you understand what I mean? So question everybody na ma threaten be ye be kuma hama mi mahama wo be sharp mi la ka so go juama maka we juna ma wo votare ba wo laya
obe ni
what be ka taja bole mi
amene chata bono amene dara pa uba bia de no le koji
ya na sani ha mi amene atajune ba ifia ni talolo when you tell me what they tell you, what you buy, no kata ni ya menyawe, nani menyanyi. All right, let's move forward. Just an important headline, and then we have there's something important. Check. Good. Non via ela. Non via ku actual don't my Stella Amejome. A 31-year-old woman has been month-old baby at Bando Market in the Volta region. The incident occurred on July 17, 2026, when the baby's mother, Gloria Agbe, left her child in Amejome's care while she went to buy packaging bags. But they returned both Amejome and the child were missing. The police arrested Amejome on July 18, 2026 and rescued the baby unharmed. During investigations, Amejome admitted to taking the child on the instructions of her fiancé, who remains at large. The Volta Regional Police Command is continuing efforts to locate and arrest Amejome's fiancé to assist with the ongoing investigations. The police have assured the public of their commitment to protecting lives and property while urging parents and guardians to remain vigilant. Nyom via ba no tata Nigeria TV aje. Nyom via ba no tata nyom via bo mi fake paria enko Stella. Finding Stella Star. Many a bad young young. Ta ngolo ni jo yo le ban bando o ide o idea Volta yo wa mi tu ase fika speech Volta ta na o ide vai na ko chu Volta ri ma wo nyong vi a ko me le TV o ji a an ko nye Stella jo a ko ba black to me a chu to mo ma and plans for Alico, Vinon, Abba, Vinon, If you go back to Jimmy,
8 months.
Jimmy, who let it national life now. Yeah, convicts. Ghana Police Service is going to go. Na Ola market here, which one I'm drunk money because there's a presumption of innocence.
Oh, yeah.
Which one is Amabo Mahar? Yeah, Tanam, who you like Berkam, Magabo, Berkamian over Tony, Nagano. The majority you are not a journalist. Yes, you are. Yeah, Malakuma. Young via to be never let it Every young hair fake like balance young hair, young via you hair. Still, I didn't young hair making your true hair. Balance. You balance. Let it be oh, she let it be. Kaka jogo beto you over Stella, la Stella, Leonia, you to live Yanarashi. You go here, yes, you go. That's still I owe Troy Boom, we are no. Yeah, when you bay.
I went. Oh.
Gilo Agba, money, I can't move. As a one. It doesn't matter what you tell the police. God was so brilliant. Then you teach your lawyer. No, I maybe I have 40. Trobasha, my phone. If you ain't because report about unharmed.
At least.
It's a man of Shaman Miro. Kaka remember that you don't Ghana, selling a down movie and more she get. No, you how that corner. Appeal. No evidence. But then the G lawyer shall no evidence. So, because who could have no believe you? I can't even the Mado.
It's two things, no, they can't maybe you a Fiji, no metal Fiji. Hello, boyfriend, they have a different agenda with the baby. Hello,
32,000. Okay, meet me angle in the story. So, a band circuit court has sentenced a 31-year-old woman for 3 years. If I was doing radio, this would be my big story. You know, open for now. TV or military. So, this woman is 31, happening part of the circuit. The convict, Stella Majome, pleaded guilty to the offense after she was arrested by the Volta Regional Police Command. So even if you pleaded guilty with the police, you can change your plea in court.
Yes, with a lawyer.
With a lawyer. Police should prove that the baby was stolen. The convict, Stella Majome, pleaded guilty to the offense after she was arrested by the police, in the Volta Regional Command, which also rescued the child unharmed less than 24 hours after the abduction. But where does an abduction? Yes, second global ABC. So global abduction already. Law global abduction. According to the police, the incident occurred on July 17. The baby's 21-year-old mother, Gloria Agbe, briefly left her son in Jome's care while she went to buy packaging bags. However, when she returned, both the woman and the 8-year-old child disappeared. The matter was immediately reported to the police, who launched an investigation. So that's basically what it is. I don't think there's too much to it.
It's 24 hours.
Yeah, 24 hours.
Yeah.
During the investigations, the suspect admitted taking the child on the instructions of her fiancé, who remains on the run. So that is that. And what are Okay, so I think I'm interested in this. It looks more like a human story. Me posted basically to Ghana Police Service to over my mind. All right, let's look at the press statement that came from the Ghana Police Service on our screen quickly. Let's do some small investigation on this Ghana community. So we will interrogate this from the Ghana Police. Then after that, so police secure conviction of baby abductor, rescue 8-month-old child. But facts are only the Volta Regional Police Command Commissioner Stella, 31, after abducting a 10-month-old baby in a Bando Market. The case was reported on 17th, is the same. Third paragraph. On return, both the convict and the baby were missing. Acting on intelligence, police arrested Stella on the 18th at Toviete. Okay, so that's an important fact. On her return, both the convict and the baby were missing. Acting on intelligence, police arrested Stella Amejome on the 18th July 2026 at Toviete. Ma we work mando shima have you that ma kwe.
O metrana no ne asieme ya menye.
Over at Toviete, a suburb of Kwame Krom in the Otim region. Have you ever bando your tea amaji? That you actually be either Toviete. Toviete, come on. Toviete, Toviete, a suburb of Kwame Krom in the Otim region, and rescued the baby. During investigations, the convict admitted taking the child on the instruction of her fiancé, who is currently at large. All right, so that's an important fact.
Police
So the convict was first arraigned before the Bando Circuit Court on 20 July 2026 and remanded in police custody. She reappeared before the court on 3rd August 2026, pleaded guilty to the offense, and was sentenced to 3 years in prison. So that's what the issues. These are the issues. I don't know if there was counsel. The police successfully rescued the 8-month-old child, and while efforts are ongoing to arrest the convict's fiancé to assist investigations.
Okay.
The police have said, okay, yeah.
I can't have party. One of the plots.
That's accomplice. All right, so that's what we have there. And in Mamleket Gafma, is there any important story there on how we did quickly? I've made a break.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
I've been making slums, dance while competitions.
Chop. No, Gore.
Jantua.
Mano easy olo, upon your market, a common demonstration, I don't know, those you over some George. Aha. O Mokata Gaga, Eddie Woman and Banaji. Or to probably ye to train you over the same die. You'll Juratumbu. And you over Vado Jubilee House. Who got you man to Cocola. Step in Novia Gore.
Jantua.
Your full name, lad. We are doing media. Okay, Novia va by you dobe in a home. Yapoimaki. You are nobody. This is disrespect. But Mahama, chief of staff, Aruma Kaunyo, Nato, Novia, Fiaba. You might don't report without prejudice to you. Manya would and I think in a way, Apoyomaki was right, but if you are young, about the young war, you problem. Because none commonly about demonstration corner to young the cara. You understand me? Young Macra at least Apro, we were Bashiviaro at the Provio team. And where was Julius Debra? Julius Debra is chief of staff. Apoyomaki, but Belenji. We got the American. I don't know MVP will be in opposition forever. Me saying I'm more me have been producing shows. No Pan-African TV those days. Me say go NDC baba. ala jeji ba organisme ko so loro kia e ma da fu de susuna ko abu nyama do na ba do party amara shi party kamarunchi aklo beliga o be ni si da bambo don't joke with politics. Just a year ago, we were all praising her. Because then you have to back and see the provisions of her. The Movano. Just. Oh, yes. Ka magacho ka ponu makina. Belamang. Oh, yeah. Don't. Ka nchore ka ko atufo sinye minority leader ayo the harina isuda you was a minority leader na boya ahoywa kira fork yo kakeba people chona kasiel va parliament and kasiel ma ever on a criminal document ya ka viviare ko kora ngoblo lo dam fumo ba no na lo ya bia ma wori Fique, é galo, tu vai ficar o galo da rua. Afi Maldini. Maldini, mama, babi.
What brief is this?
Yeah, okay. Can you forget that? $5,000 briefcase or so. Please, time changes. So,
but I feel.
But Udo Yonkma, you can be many phone. Akaba do jigwa pom le asempa. Recording male available pom la asempa. Never leo. Okay, me to do miako to Chuchupi. I can intro. That I will not listen to that recording. Yeah, me japa here and government. Oh, I don't know. But I make Juna even Justin. You were Justin Korea. I can just say you know as well. Yaka trust monona charge silky. But hey. You see, NPP has succeeded in sidetracking you.
Yes.
But Brona fear.
Ogere travel. They fell into.
Okay, Mr. Mfuego. Basa.
I looked into his face directly and I said into my head that if there is a God that ever lives, I give petition to him. And for this statement that has come out of your mouth, my God will deal with it. I am telling you because no, Obi, you cannot do that to anybody.
I know it's painful.
It is very, very painful. It is very, very disrespectful. I looked into his face directly and I said into my head that if there is a God that ever lives, I give petition to him. And for this statement that has come out of your mouth, my God will deal with it. I am telling you because no, Obi, you cannot do that to anybody.
I know it's painful.
It is very, very painful. It is very, very disrespectful. I looked into his face directly and I said into my head.
No, me haven't come say I make a photo, but never hobby. You can be touched or but me can't making brunette. I feel do you buy a hand. Apa ni makin banyak bro tu ngedenya enggak ka ayo bangun rasanya nyato meji bawa nyanyi belum apa makin blunya re banyak ama mabu bayar nyongi ada re na ba no ile fia aba ni montero ko kuma ba yo khobane ika yo bo yo chona tu kokola banyak na mo je wala ba tu to ma don lisa
Oh yeah.
Fike to the point fike Julius Debra in chief of staff. Yema Julius Debra and chief of staff. Fico no. Oh no. Oh mani guama. Oh gani. No, put your
but there were demonstration will be held.
Oh no, Nkudo Solomon. For a couple of
but what kind of demonstration was that?
Kakade, even grab any but because he would have been the right person.
Okay.
President in the all of the presidency in your human resource. Tanet Banamarubo. Kakadome had that pay. No, any other president. I could the regional minister. I thought for the regional minister,
Markins, I feel disrespected.
Many Markins there though, is a disrespect to the entire MPP. And Makoni Susu member political science, the history of political science, and Kayo demonstration for America do. No, I don't think.
They are not available. Major NDC is not available. They had something going on.
Oh, but America,
okay.
And I'm asking you, in the history of Ghana's politics, no demonstration of such a mammoth nature. America gonna. No. No. So so this is a difficult issue. And me about research.
Yeah.
Ayo, Kumi Preko. Kumi Preko was not a joke. It was not a joke. And NDC told me, Adam, Bomina, I'm free. Nyoka ni miawandu Ghana, me, Yatono Pema TV. Yadan Bonami free. Don't take MPP for granted. MPP, the many street voice. I'm quoting Ahaze. Ahaze, MPP is made up of street boys, rejected people, dissed people, drug addicts. I'm not now, it is wrong to generalize, but I'm quoting a chairman of the APP. You understand?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, NDC had a $2 window, but I can oh, and female buying a $2 Samuel Olivia. No, Zem Chilemiama. And I swear. Hey, Mother, hey, Fraquasha, mammy, may do more. Hey, yes, I am Southbound, first aqua. Yeah, not those ones. But you know what? I'm very careful because member generalization. Some of the finest men I've met in politics, I met them in the NPP. Kufu was called Gentle Giant.
Oh, yeah.
The people of Ghana, Gentle Giant. But what? Tall man with red eye, yellow eye, sexy eye, sexy thunder.
Sexy thunder. Wow.
So, you know what? It was a bad day. When we have a where Justin could be a kind of chance secretary, you know, Asukwa Kumasi. Yeah, Rose Mokona. And what I'm telling you about church, let me church here. So for money, Robert, Futobo Sound, why ye never yana, you put more now, not to our sister. The trick of the devil and the enemy is to get to you.
Oh, yeah.
Abosan Futo, Bobovon, Pono, Nayabaka, Yana Jiku. Nagaramo, I don't know versus Nagaramo. Ye Tana Muyokatabato, Kakala, no, Lenua, Wapusan, Muon, ye, shake the devil off. Ye met up elbow, if I was a gajo, come out in a TV. Come out, blue, Kaka, Father, Lavasi will come out. You know, Pommy, me, Yalikabusan. They wouldn't mean Pieko. Prophet, but what do go? But what we were to do? At last minute, I don't know. Powerful bongo. They could challenge blind.
He's free.
I like it for and then NDC, like bad. Can be piano. No matter what. Ikele sam kwacha krapet oji iko kodo mere mama tale piloji abi mama ba bijia enye gogo ya
praise the Lord
ka gogo friend is MPP to ka kene MPP to cha baba oje this to wo nyomi afa bi studio jo
it's a disrespect. Oh
ba de apo ma ki dong re pore thank you, Apayumaki, for calling me nobody. And I want most of me. I'm back, but I'm happen. There you are, nobody, and people also let it pass.
Oh, no, Munia.
Tayo, can you back there to the wall? I'm by Joe, now no fun. I'm going to Maro. I know, Namako, Salem, I know, Vernal, I don't know,
les films.
Abelé me kota biare, me kota yi mo kutu. Yi ne chani, yi ne fumbe abata ngo ku ba separate me. Let me know.
Amedi ya no film ya no ko ta ida se photo me na.
Efo, bese so we ka ji ya ku aru.
Chema wala ne. Manu ya no le we fidi eh.
Efo ke ba do di kra me la voix.
Mi le kota le mi pe wa.
Abo samba strategy ya. Eje do. Abo samba strategy de do. Da neje no mu yo mo do je ero kai ko na resign.
Oh yeah.
Rom kujie ke mi kwa. Vice President ko bore. E ya go police de misata kwa. Esun ba no tribute club. Ye akufalo ba no ye ngo. Owe ko ko ba dara. E bo na ro lankwa. Ya mo dogo ya. Never know the fear. But yes, so who you are.
You have to tell me.
Not in your dolation, man. Yes, so two years from the Bank of Ghana. As deputy governor.
When he needed their help, who may come through for him?
You go, Mills back play your man, better police. On no jumbo.
When I sit on the rebel, believe me.
If you're value, what?
And no, calmly.
That can get looking at no, go down there.
Until
Mori, Okwechima will.
Oh, David,
I'm Okwechima will.
I come
Oh, teacher, what you not see before. Get out there.
Look at it,
Mustafa Bande, nobody has time to read your senseless petition. Deputy General Secretary of the NDC, Mustafa Bande. Bonokune, my MPP talk, we don't have time. We are busy remembering the dead. We are busy. Tayo marke mga ko yo chato ayo ko grupo be ko fu gwetro ya. Mustafa Bande agbanu your record. Ni furana mi amaro ibe de him the school. No demonstration one day. We call something suasion. Suasion, moral suasion. Ni okata la political side. Na nyanya mye president. You demonstration kare matambo boy no job. No job afuma. Ka o manimbo ama o ngako. Ko yo bado jubilee so. Me people say me nobody can stop on our way. Can me go one ko mi bado. Kama ko pepa. Onya shanya gloma people. Abanana ejumo no jumo. Na me be president. O you have a moral suasion. You know what answer. Ka ba ko ma ka bo we will act on it. You know. Now, you remember the president Tonava, but Simanava, Squadanava, because Joseph Branco of Macho. You see, Coca over to Coca, Joseph Branco moves the car. Share, before ya share. Coca, Yama, me boom, Manana Jojo. Kakari to Madame the Fully for them, Mustafa Bande house, one of boys charges. We'll go for a short break. I'll be right
back. Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary akara so fi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, Alola language, then you make a maneuver by view, and be a strong but praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a never view mujura po, and be a strong but baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. Place order Amazon. Allo number can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you can la nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, Romo, Kaka to put it. I have too much ready toy. When it warms, pull a killer.
Oh,
the number for fun. The mother turned my tomb. I'm not to go.
that another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband that didn't learn fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on young Kuroma. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
Well, I'm not to go.
Vai, but I can't sugo. It a big at that as a Cremonton top. Well, a party we see with us here.
Maybe vola tobo. You man no Chicago. Mokbong jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa. Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata. Alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu. Wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu. Le hoa. Apola old fashioned la apoi. Kala hwahwea. Gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street. Wojango local restaurant atututu. Opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga adrekla afa dashina ndogawi afa pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola basenta Afima mia pota yoyola Nyadeba Vola Efi valao Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile Vola heba center Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Parker Afima akodo Won't kame waputo wofukame ofukame tutu dokada Vola Heba Center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo. Come on Vola
Badashicho, yeah, Parento, America, da Chomna, but Dobana, Honorable Richmond, Edem, Kofi, Otosu, O Chichara Chantom of South Africa. I got a Chona, the Nacho. Priscilla, I shall not go with Che dico quello via. Vediamo che un po' non come me, buona di giovane. All right, mi da con onorable vale mi vede con la gawina. All right, mi chiede già il mamma bro.
African Today. Mahama urges accountability and integrity to remember fallen heroes. NDC chairmanship bid, David Dakuji gains traction across 33 Eastern Region constituencies. Lawyers for Angela list injured David Tameklo, Ralph Adiniram over false publication and defamation. Mepe celebrates cultural heritage ahead of the 70th Afenoto Festival Ground Deba on Saturday, August 8, 2026. MPP petitions Supreme Court, Jubilee House over selective justice, human rights abuse. Bolgatanga MCE welcomes Upper East GMB representative on home visit. That's for African Today.
African Today, Kappa. Hey, hold on, Baro. All right. Over David Dakuji. So she went on NBC. Interesting times. Yeah. I don't know what NBC. But me my constituency level constituency over September, October. We election more my bigger who also non new government. I feel like regional. I feel like Roma national. Dodo national bo chairman ne ko dara se dun ke jate pa. I feel like coffee ke asi dun ke jate no. Hey, we pray for this party. All right. Mabato energy. Koshira Marogo. Actually got. All right. Over lawyers for Angela Quiz and Jack David Tamaklo, Ralph Adiniran, blah. All right, these are the things we have over here. Okay, demonstration. Petition like Supreme Court.
Yes. NDCA petition Supreme Court.
Like chocolate demonstration.
MPP petition Supreme Court, Jubilee House over selective justice, human rights abuse.
Supreme Court had a woman yasalama. When you have petitions, I'm not money. Kakao, we both don't know about attention, bro. Remember? All right.
The Ghanaian Times. Nation remembers fallen heroes. MPP hits streets over democracy under attack. Inflation drops further to 4.6% in July. 2 Nigerians sentenced to 20 years for human trafficking.
Okay, I go with Daily Graphica and your gang for your Ugacho.
Fallen heroes.
We go there. The gap of fallen heroes. I can use headline get over say no tough, but that no man. Say that when you put that time, go put that time for that story is still there. Okay. The nation remembers fallen heroes. MPP hits street.
Over democracy under attack.
That way, Bernudo was fallen heroes. Nation remembers one. Aka Agbaneme. Yeah, okay, African Today could call as a banner headline can topic at the
NDC chairmanship bid.
Freeman, we're going to people drop girl. All right. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I'm almost second. The issues that are more nationalistic, the issues that are more human interest. So I think Ghana Times is doing the right thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So even with this, we have 2 Nigerians sentenced to 20 years for human trafficking.
Yeah, but that's not Ghana story. Ghana, the nation remembers fallen heroes. And I think
The
that's
pictures were left and Muhammad and Ufu left.
a nation that does not honor its heroes is not worth dying for. Quote and unquote, Makebli. Never check it. Honor is not worth dying for. It's an aphorism or a maxim or proverb in political science. The point of the yepwe amabum tepo yin bone chio. Marakama got your visa for the commander. Free. Ta enyo be odebubu amanyam and you see a comic critique paper like how we did on news alabo senator nyama ko ba di dingo betatara. It's not supposed to be so. And paper actual momenya abaleka wo ku emaima ucho menya kata papicha dari adan ma paper chuma. That is Ghanaian Times for you. That is professionalism for you. And it's not even about Ghanaian Times. Ghanaian Times is doing damage control for the company.
Okay.
Cause actual headlines so Jubilee House better or no money. The president was talking so much about money. I felt bad for Muta. You know who Muta was? Muta was a trained teacher from the north. Chicha Wanyalo, Avitrova University. Beazo, SRC president, Mendenio. Afibasu Nooks president. You are Okuja to write but you should be. It's not small boys. Kamabiaro, a vonet to Miatabari. A vonet to Miatabari. I can only Okuja to you. Yegba, as an Yakom, Yegba, woman, Baba. So, Ghana has done a good job, and that's it. Me go people would that.
The Daily Searchlights. Ghana's democracy under siege.
Now, overnight there was something about inflation. The way he did on Ghana Times.
Drops further to 4.6%.
Inflation drops further to 4.6%. Over
in July.
Ngoba shinoji matradia. Agadi inflation ngoba shiji yatradi. The persistent rise in the general price of goods and services inflation. Maybe Uber petrol per liter pashi from 14 cedi to 15 cedi, and that's inflation. No, inflation is the persistent rise in the prices, general prices of goods and services over time. Dane logo ijemba alunai bottle water instead of 3 cedi over 3.5. That's the price hike or spike.
Maybe that's because store they will make.
Yes, that's not inflation. That's just a price hike or price rise or spike. Okay, inflation and moji versus at the end. Oh, if you ever do agato, whether I demonstration.
It's something
we are for the guy, we are for the people. You ask me, you understand what I mean? Yeah. Budget something we are.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's a very briefcase.
Yeah, the Daily said like Ghana's democracy under siege as Nugekalu.
Opposition protests erupt over fears of authoritarian thrift.
Dagbaraba Kokula Glochova Uba Pilatus.
I'm clashing now.
Mida Ukunami, Mania Pilato, Maya Herodia, Maya Yasin Baby, I mean that Balabro, Baratonia, Odre Japan, Mahama Pilato. Ghana's democracy under siege as opposition protests
erupts over fears of
authoritarian. As opposition protests erupt over fears of authoritarian drift. Okay. All right. So as opposition protests erupt over fear of authoritarian drift. If you have a Bible Kokulava Clochimo, Ojagoma, Somina, Sway, Brother Mark, Brother 50-50 in and out. At every fear of drift, will be dim, Bamamo, Tom, Otemba, over Fiam, over Fiam. If you are Commission, you put on that, Yamafio, Tamia, with Yamo, and the Bonafia, the Biblia, and go for car. And I saw a dagger of it. That you got Brother Clench move a Fianda. Let's also mean as way, Brother Mark, Brother Clay, Brother Muchifia, a parcel son, that was a sign, you know, you could imagine. WAEC, private schools clash over bias claims. And again, you up where I gave a BC, maybe easier. To do kwa yomo, uko blombe, American private schools, we are international schools, that of your school, fish school. American that is small, Marano, or Fairwater. About time we would just more. At the private school.
At the kind of
And what
Springs.
we call it.
That's
it. Yeah, the wisdom international. Those days, I never had the wisdom. You know, but Prince of Peace.
Rising Star.
Amazing lab.
Rising Star. Don't know if I'm busy.
Socks
and forget.
I forgot that.
Forget.
Politician no sofu when you got when you got house monona. Go no go jabo plan na be panu no fia o me fia na panu. Why she answer fia na go ya that go na mo bi. That what we pass na. Then no ba don go ba do secondary school oh puna no kwa. Ka ke fia o ba fia format yavatro. Bodo sube educational subcommittee in parliament. Yakben mo chuko to no yaro mami no kozo sia no pomle so pare tu school aro no fia. O ma go be. Dikata to pa kan no mile. Aka marco question 1, ya marco question 5. Marco question 5, ya marco question 10. Marco question 10 na. Ta question o ko no ai chu kana. Ta ko ski channel social media. Amoba review la film. Alors, problem who are the authors of the 5 Gospels in the Bible? Makawe no, Yesu mchina pamenchi on the Biblama. Eko recover, eko remember Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Eko throne of the Bible, no fear. Eko be Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Oh, but bro, ya wende be ano Dorfima. Amo Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. What about Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John? Elaborate question. Amare answer ma. Hello. Yo jo system ya de to ma. Bodo se play aba no se. Bi no sem cha ke maybe you no. We no mo ne fi do work na.
Number 1 A.
Number 2 C. E work na. Uno blon cha ka work na. Ka ke fi oba ma work. Da be e ma je private school so je ma no. Aggregate 25, aggregate 35, 42. If you are able to look OGLA primary, I got more RC. With the OG, I'm looking at school of Ojo Takra, and the guy who have TA, MLA, or MLA
Municipal Assembly.
Charlie, on a very cheap.
Shading party. Section B advance and on na. Never know the whole name on section B advance. Come on, shading. O jagaba lo treda.
Ta mira kumi po ni ko be para. Ta vivia meu que é para escutar talk para meu o que eu bone. Eu acho que eu não passa.
Exame no sura.
Double digits makovale. O background de WAEC. E quem de do que para suku viu quando tu com no nya o tira kana beri. Wo we wo nya ale. Private school. Now my baby to spring. I'm making a Prince of Peace. Which I didn't show with the house of Prince of Peace, but I'm super in the tomorrow. What's the good watch? That was the private school. Where you do that?
Oh, Brunello. Yeah, you go get me them little to for them.
Why heck? Private schools clash. That private schools go from there. Why heck? Actually, you're going to do on a teacher only. No, ceremony of your
Yeah, not saying Brunello.
But don't act Brunello. I'll buy up on the day to my guy. I'm no way. But go ahead. I'm not going to so. Zero.
Cause 90 of
Cause 90. Okay, now we will have
honoring a giant of a man as Defense Ministry unveil cenotaph of late Minister Edward Omani Boama. Tema police says
so Omani Boama online a giant. My giant G-I-A-N-T. Alright, next one.
Tema police sees cocaine worth US 6.9 million. Arrest for suspects in anti-drug operation.
Flag of Financia, police are in the cocaine. Owola cocaine, let them out
maybe away or
my cocaine, a black market at the Lago of Yabashali.
I mean, wait, me go.
I know extra or do you let me go here. And it's like, let me go here. Oh, I know it's 6.9
million US dollars. And I'm getting
for that. Because last was about a room to the castle of constituency level to wow,
why do you just
journalist
Showboy Foundation CEO donates farm inputs worth 30,000 Ghana cedis to Chufo Heman Shifts.
Well, she for him mind. Yeah.
So Showboy Foundation CEO
Okay, yeah. People come with search like
Showboy Foundation CEO donates farm inputs worth 30,000 Ghana cedis to Chufo Heman.
Showboy. Showboy Foundation.
Yeah, Showboy Foundation.
I'll go to Stoneboy. Showboy Nyaka.
Akobe Showboy la foundation onyo odo. Ako Stoneboy a musician here later. Atangwe Stoneboy movement. Abe Shakawale movement. Akeki Akobe Foundation here.
Shaka movement. Being Nation.
So Showboy Foundation is like an organization.
Michael Benny. You can have you food in my provider.
When was he?
So I will ask the guy.
Let's go to business and financial times.
Yeah. Granny, where?
Apple 848.
Hey, me about yo, 02426707773 and number give it as I already back me. Nyajo Joro go about Nyajo Super 02426707773. And your number look up with she can tell as I cover come back. Never I know a Jara Boyana and Magarutia Grano, Mia film one on enjoyment. What that you mean? That me free. It's part of the game.
We are okay with it.
All right, Business and Financial Times.
Inflation cools to 4.6%, but domestic pressures dominate.
Moi, je me gagim avec Cham, Kaka, comme domestic pressures dominate. Inflation cools, and you know, you should know that. You see, social and this is this kind of thing. But this is economics. Inflation, I mean, is the one. Or you have a food basket. Old China, statistical service, energy, then I go home, and that come down. Only Nashi, we were a band of Shima, or very young, own guy. That woman, the research or a show, go Gavashi. Oga, ngobashi, tanya ka uma ruptura la binya na raba sia ni como no shakata. Oga bashi be, como no shakata. Kana we can okatabai chimauma. Oko ba ashira ko mo jamia. Tomato paste bi na nyoje. Olonga gali na nyoje. Ajilonga ka na nyoje. Dan ma uno wa bumema. Tabo o mapashia na makolema o fifia tomato paste bi ka o ba 50 awari ba yo tete ginger buleni ta o gbogbo o fifia la shakata ma ginger pashi o be ale ba ginger ya ka mweta kakalo alo ye ba shi jima ta o ba do ma ta nan ka o ma ni mo ba ko to na ba ko kana shi over doema. The food basket, for inflation, producer inflation, if you have a mbasho, simiti, dapo, that's producer inflation, consumer inflation. Food basket, forget those people. In any case, over policy, what happened in Yankee way, I'm going to contract out. Contract out. Bombon kita kan cocok, lalu mau tuh pelajar, dalam tuh komen, enggak ada lagi, mana mau pelajar, dalam mau pelajar, ada mau pelajar orang masih yang ini, boleh mana pelajar pelajar mau masih yang ini, ya aku rasa, negara musuh mau pelajar, mau masih yang ini, nana doa aku buat government, mau masih yang ini, kau mau pelajar, dia usia mana masih orang lain, akhirnya dia usia mana, ayo coba baju be,
Kami yang kuasa nasi.
ye belum apa. Belum pasti kakak susu le come più ba io la chiamo ma io campione nge io qua passa non ci kakak tapi wo ma tu ga ko pepe lu ba tu ga ko pepe lu ba tu ga ko pepe e ma lo ele kan no ma cha serious asa da adokul kasih faithfulness. The work of a finance minister is not how much he spends, but how faithfully he spends. Let's state about how faithful he spends, but I think he's trying to say how faithful he spends. Be black, but he that is faithful in little is faithful in much. So, all right. Nika go for Business and Financial Times. Tamira buku Nobel and Mobashi Jima Rodi Dima. Ekshi is a determinant of inflation. Next Jama Nkutona. Nungu Tokwa. And have the bright in the regional boss, Nafak Day. Buffer stock. A global water region, then there are more weak water region produce at the money black in that attack them to Ganaka. Ako buku mo plan. Tayo plan. Kokomne sukuvio. Yo plan kokona sukuvio. Ese ya koma. Oba mo le liba ako ba Jimmy. Jimmy. So inflation cause please. I'm so sorry nkola mi no nso mara kel no mi aplan. Ni a blom la family ndi sem people nya onu. Echi jaja agblede de. Do wona Nemion to akpo aniba son la gbede ma so kaka mi pe mi agbede. Aye fi anu mo shu apepe mo ga agbede yan wadana.
Fica gbede.
Ele. Louco.
Louco vai pra cá.
Green Valley mo pe.
Okay. Agbede ń gbọ́ ní fún mi.
Papa ta mi agbede.
Ata home da gbede. I don't know now.
Global Faces Transparency Test, IMF, Getty.
Press for stronger governance.
Sami Jemfi, o dobe goldboard, onye shikashi chala o shikare. Oba ngoma kwa makmo, o kumere goldboard do na ngoko. IMF jinudu lokatanya dukota bokuwa habobo o problema IMF braba. Now, you know, you have to blow a joy. I'm going to make you say, open it and open.
Okay.
The IMF get the IMF. I IMF, I mean, open. Sami Jemfiga, Bagandia, TV Jago, Bobby, Blaveri, with the measure with which you meet to others, it shall be met to you. Sami Jemfi is not having it easy on that job. Because he was a communicator. Kami je people na bukaka kaka boloberi. Russia Ukraine wo tu adamu lady. Tu bari. Prob ba je jema. Afi unya gro afi go Russia go. You know some Russia. I follow them so close. Russia Ukraine mama be Russia. Awe amu le. Awe amu le Ukraine. You have get coming. If you are straight on Hamus, Galaka. Over Yarotona Mituna to Chia to Dora, to the back. You figure coming. You can talk, you can sue a Roger Yamoka Port Plateau. You see, I had a community with Gami Virginia. Minabu, Magabe, Garicia, Porto. Take it as it is.
Okay.
Over the offer for job. Transparency test.
Oh yeah.
Not the other virus, I mean, if I prove it's not operational, new blood or I
would say,
got it. I can't see you sorry back at Agbalaka was Frank would I hear a calculator.
It's been positive.
Oh, I remember Agbalubule. IMF Obelo. Apoima came to make a bonyata at Ambobe. Kakani to him povu. Mac sing a coblo. Never sing a coblo. Mac broken a carriaco Uber. Apoima Kimber. IMF your fool over your one for 2,000 would consider a circa. At 2 poppy. I will pour a marrow. Beto. I will got a little paro. And the blip one marrow, perfect light over here. Blip your name, Yamoro, supply Toby. Minister, very Padiso, Loco, Chichimo, a job, Nicho. I feel like a my Savaja communication of Le Heaven. Only I'm going to get mature for free. Cook a road talking like whom talking the dungeon. Abe 8:45 ko na ko kwato. Evo yeme evo ko ro na tere time da ono na ibu na ku mwana. Reka kwato ko kata o kwato. Do ga fa no hi. Kaka aku ko tisi ko klo.
Jama ka ja tu ka beto. Maybe it's okay more to be influence over time.
Amachi ko ni let's go. Tempo bro ni akado na tawa ko kum leboni ku ju ya kan na tawa ko kruchu ale leboni kum na ko manu na ko kruchu fetama
red one
ulere ulu na kwa ko kuti mene picture daga me bibra discussion ka chuma na ko ye mo chu kamera ya ka na ko globe ngari kumbare ko globe chululu ko globe ta
e jole pepe uta. E también la concluye también.
Maybe In fact, you won't know show you like my problem. Look at your mia, can you come? And now we cook raw man, the big pan. If I had a view, and me money. Look at your cook over a juna, who ban rule, Kakawa chunk.
Brazilian
So, me gonna special feature again on Akukon Kitty in Whole Central. Miacha, I'm will go for Kitty. I
Kami kokromene atokure gameji.
am bad of a boy, and you blow, but a people again, you blow. Mabba, Seth, the map, or the mabba, look at town, Mabba Savajaga. Quiver, I'm up 8 to 86. A Google what I'm at.
So you fall apart.
And we don't go with me. You don't you never look back. 8 to 86 years old.
What an echo was reading the call.
Bien Paula, mi ha dojo gbara mo jo na ku ka shake ya mi do jojo gara ko ga ana mi mia ku hare na mi ne mi acho a kulo a fi mi atroba ba ko be de nya ka wele mi shi ha mi anjo mi akora gari ko la ma
9 o'clock on the dot.
na on the dot yo prepare mi chamo la ma pepa ka be
Business and financial.
parma do mo rango
Get Fine and UNESCO partner to boost AI digital skills development in TVET.
Okay, Get Fund, by UNESCO. We got a go direct, but about your cow, none of on the sound of man, school to but who have UN, United Nations. While we take the school there now, so UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Social, Cultural, some organization. Minerais, Sucubio, UNESCO. Young on the social by a career of Fiamos on that UNESCO will get further, UN. Kaya wala mo ba? Get from papa. Okay, you put a camera. Yeah, put that. Over. Albo you got opera premiere where what do says to put that day, you know. Wa I would got those super was an AI. Modernly, I wrote you got to perform the modern. I feel that I'm going to function. Next time, and I went down.
Any instruction.
I thought don't function in your own that I have told you, I can throw away.
Oh, you know, I know anything.
No va to fianco, mi mamma mi ha fatto come mi ha fatto come kakak ma yo commissario ma para kai kok mi ata pane AI artificial ubam computer modern ya modern engineers over modern dollar produce technical people technicians over modern dollar let me AI okay let me get ni man boy di yo AI ni bukan AI ini ini artificial intelligence ini bukan AI ini apa yang buat fungsi cahaya yo atau yang ini oleh sana ruang akan menunggu akan menunggu di mana akan menunggu di mana mau menunggu apa tulisan Vivi akan ayu ikra akan ayu mana mau kau dengan ayu mana tak ocean akan ayu aku popular mana tak iya di popular flaga dalam negara apa ya flaga ada Over me, I will match through Ashindo, our Toto, Tiba don't have an moment. Dao. All right.
Governance, not capital. Key to attracting investments into microfinance. Dr. Ankra.
Governance, not capital. Key to attracting investment into microfinance. Urban. Do ta popo. Governance in Maru. Do ta popo. Ebe ngati bia bia. Ne binyan kosen bersyabar. Do ta popo. Ina governance alu. Tahu belum microfinance susu jo banki vivio susu to aku itu mau aja. Uweri mana ramno siamu muka kacau macam ni. Be barang apa belum beri. Aleu betul tak komen anak kerana apa menye enggak kapital. Nyata be.
Oh ya nyata. Kami udah ngomong enu agak kuka kan buat bank
Bendejo kaswa jo ube na 2,000 to 12 million. They are now 10,000 and a million. Da u bankaro. Ya mo gajon. O gajon da be mo kata 100 million chi. Be oko yashi. Ajo ito we. No jagwa o jom kamo jom ka ro. Ujung bonau jingga tong ba masyama baki yeyo yata obubuto masyama bless suba at the end of the day na ngaka de kwa na nakuga ojubu 3 months ade pepa o pas duplicate ko le ko computer shama we nkola Mako do juju perma de muja kana mi no trova. Nya sorenko. Tony mi apro.
Nane mano monsieur Eye na menswale De konakwanya moda Menye de me fion yo Ayaye pomlo Ayaye pomlo De konakwanya moda Menye de me chio Ayaye womlo Ayakwe womlo Ameda evi Netena holo ode Ameda evi Netena holo ode eye na mensuale ame mano amesie eye na mensuale me fio yo ayaye bomlo de kona panya moda menye de me kio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo Amenda evi Machana holode Amenda evi
Kola konami wenga TV ndio na nyaji lokumbe miaba adamu jakalami pele hagbamo umyohamia anochi jojore afia troba nemia kosem que donc tu be atagre miaji yo miapa abolo bufa allo na yo mi 0242670773 0242670773 alo nagere a cheduduame que wona kwenye ndiona Tony ye miaplom eletadere wona que mia a zorango akbo na chibal mamle klemi ancora le message sur que dom mile dami message sur nava allo nchucho nava allo miawo atawo ma do le majiji me que donc vous avez au Central Member of Parliament Honorable Richmond Kofi Potosuba on not buy a dodge on Alemino Yama June, you know, I tower them in the like Piero Home Army. That no hand in the MPP man. Anyway, I was a member of Parliament. Get him yaji out of that no me Piero Ginamico. Miamiano, I'll make a man. We there for you. All right. Me go there. La majijuma. La nyama majijuma. Kena don't put na ajijem na Facebook G. Okay. I'm on Facebook. The whole. I'm on the Facebook. Maybe I come to Facebook. You quickly go to Facebook and make a comment. I'll have afi wona now okay we got a strawberry and your co-host unchi Prissy.
Yeah, you play daily guide. Lawyers protest December 19 for national executive election. Democracy under attack. Demo. MPP storms Jubilee House, presents petition under protest. Mahama urged recognition of public servants. And 2 sets of laws in Ghana. It's part of the demonstration. What they have on their placards. I think that's all for the daily guide.
Okay. The lawyers protest selective court vacation city. Lawyers, but former Attorney General
Godfred
Damima. Godfred Damima, Manjujina, you were Chief Justice Koda Bondola, Berembe, Ne Bom, Yida, justice system were allowed academic and financial. The courts were challenging a ton or on a judicial vacation. Allo in a body and to battle. Okona Jim on a ton by Hobart. That a mill of year, we are on auto in a vacation. Where we are going. Abamiamo many teacher overweight a holiday. Nasu come teacher ha ever did never name. That we have an academic calendar. You went to the coming 1 10, am I man? You went to 1 10, Rompuja, you went to 1 10. Nasukuyo is one at Jimato. I feel good. Rompuja. That first term, you went to Manto, second term, you went to Velia, third term, you went to Erojimani, you want my shaking, ye women on a school. That you have an academic year. Now, never school do primary school, going to school, I never University of Ghana over semester. First semester, you semi. That ever go part of it. Semester, semi, omerever. That Jimbato and in your first semester, can you come back much in the car? Can you get Troy? Bigao Jimbanto, Bigao Jimone, for Jimone, Jimbato, Nambaro Jimania, Jim, the guy of another Jima Shaker, going on Jimato, their long back. Kayaga the breaker. The academic year, the primary school, Casino High School, I love an academic year at the university. Primary school, I don't go to Supua, Jimato, Wamaton. Nya jima sheke ye ko review no school ka oko mo ka jina kala do to mi ako ero pareka ne ba university a jima ma ene first semester ka mi ko break jina ka ko maro jima ko ka mi ka proba ka jin o mene bara ji maro jin o me a sheke ya ka mi ka mo long ba jiro me to ya ro pareka wa not the first ka ga ba court system ni never I tell one couple. Then I will continue to sit in there. All in the radio. Let it and go. You remind our marriage moment. When they hear you. They don't leave. I'm making a barrel. Never. I'm not a barrel. Click, making a raffling night. Now you caught today. Don't know, click to judge around Yashana or no Gramahana or report over. Independent. I'm out of honor you. Madam for audit. And I go with audit service because if you ever over by courts, I know you're I mean, you move over never 2000. I just independently. Actually, that audit service. Oh, bona pogala da kapang mabari for malu ado padis omega. Tamasya mumro. Mesya mumro wuli. You don't know clear. You never. Padiarinha, Dennis Miracle Sabaji, Yapujo. A baby of me, Apumaga, Atadi, one, the pepper soup. You would have a pepper soup, never pepper soup one. But I'm low. Atadi and the Chava soup. Politics and propaganda.
Forget.
Every time for Pofiaba, yea, lap mafia, Boctopiare. Pepe supo kumai laga bahe mungkin nabi ataji anade pero supo pa pak posi tos baru alo de chom dia de choko pak posi to baba moto ha mungkin nabi
salam
kai bobo anyway so ma joke with them na ameo je case goma o ma tona ela be wo we je kisa government e we je shi suspecta e we je shama e ba mabubu e ba mabu ale o court family do mo ka ta o kwani de na je shi me de sha do mo ta je ja ta le kwere ma ka go prosecution ye ko be fuyama to go by any crime by man for her. Master Fakuya, she Jetta initiating Maro, go in your ugly, plea baggy, I can't go to Cuba, a bird, a granda. I hope I grant a quarter, no people what is your name. My name is Evangelist Dr. Mama. Pat is young. The following day, Kakabu, roll over, you are you Patricia Sarah everywhere? Who's here? You may Patricia, so you call your Evangelist Dr. Mama Pat. And for fear, I'm going to be a doctor, evangelist. Obinya Brejeva, no way you're going to be evangelist doctor. Nebona Kota, how not Jimmy to me. Yo, Yaku, to me. You go see when you will let pepper. Oh, you're not more than a demeanor. Agbono. Aleke ne amaro pienya. Ukwana mwa. Afi wana judge. Then ya that day, judge may na they live just like that. Ta no live gaga ebo jimu eton ya oglo me milefia. Menye September, October, November. Around this time, you in a vacation. Nenema Kenya parliament. You can sort of over parliament has been adjourned sine die. Die's date, sine, dateless. Parliament South Africa had a yoi de bojoy, Nkemanumi, the Totoro, Romanumi. Cause how I joined that is sine die. If you ever yo cho yo ina bojo Nkaka you to troga or you remember you Nkemanumi. Sine die, I'm over sine die. It means the case that your sin has died. Sine die, your sin has died. Imagine, police will come court. You go whatever the case has been adjourned. Sine die, Yamo, or judge so a lawyer or no, get man, you never sin die. Your sin has died. Because sine die, man, so much. Can you buy your case? You don't have a demand when your case is game for certain reasons. Okay, okay, was in lawyers here. Now you got value, got on here, you got in the recess. If my own go for one eye, you wear, I believe 1 or 2 months. And what do you want? I believe I do. I believe about. Nenema ke judge suma o di na dem ataka. Kaka over Supreme Court judge no. Anan e Kenyan pastor to former boss ikola over na maka yuma bakiti. Ora kesu ambe oloji nufa ga chakama. Yuma Mbara, Mampuga to Ora cases on Chine, are you for one? Yeah. That is it. Yet, judges are not happy. But that's about now. Then it's all bigger corner room, like any family in a new it's just objective. That Chichai, I don't know what you want, I feel in Jimon. Ala bomo ke limon. Ba go ya aku leave. Pleto university lecture ni anu suku ba fi ala bona mo ke hoge jima to na home. Ama pepa. Ke rumah ni ada ugali arrangement buat ugali but this is how it looks. All right. Okay. Let's go back to
That's democracy and attack them. MPP stones to be.
I don't know. Go. Oh,
no. MPP stormed Jubilee House, presents petition under protest. Mahama urged recognition of public servants. Yes, so placard two sets of laws in Ghana. Okay, that means people.
2 sets of laws.
Laws in Ghana. That's on the placard demonstration. So we have a daily graphic. A year after a helicopter crash, nation remembers fallen sons. I think people don't know that, but then should I read it?
Okay.
The nation yesterday united in grief and remembrance in the honor of victims of the helicopter crash. 1 year after the tragedy claimed the lives of officials, politicians, and 3 servicemen. Solemnity filled the Ohini Konedu Auditorium of the University of Professional Studies, Accra, UPSA, as families of the deceased, senior government officials, and members of the security service gathered to honor the men whose life ended while on service to the nation. Many mourners sat with bowed heads while Christians and Muslims' prayers were said and rhythms echoed. Yes.
Okay. Da ema wo mo by Dabubu Yoba Aming Mema. Okay. Comment are there. Okay, you finished the paper. MPP Mema paper Lema.
No, me like daily graphic. This is this particular paper.
No, but the new paper NDC sets December 19 for National Executive. Exactly. Hey. Ejimi akuna. Ejimi agbonya chonchi.
Paper ke lawyers protest selective court. This is the same paper.
Kanuna got the paper hammer.
Oh. So I can hear before this particular.
But you must say you December 19
NDC sets December 19 for national executive elections. I said in Kitia.
A gomedi.
If you have December 19 for our election of national executives for the party.
Like chairman,
yes.
National chairman,
yes.
National secretary.
Oh, yes.
For the party.
For the party. That's for NDC. So it will be done on 19th of December this year.
This year.
Yeah, this year.
Hey, by that time, Kaminya, but I said, you can check again. National Kadashi. Mema, National Kadashi, the Doma, Kadashi Dom. In a flag bearer time waiting on
executive, national executive.
Oh, for national executive, flag bearer is not part of national executive, like general secretary, chairman. Oh, 20 December. Flag bearer is 1 year to election, at least 1 year to election.
So, yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead. Look what the
drug resistant bacteria widespread in environment industrial waste. EPA launches 5-point strategy to curb spread. GCTU Pentecost University advanced to Southeast Zone semi-finals. MTN launches Heroes of Change Season 8.
That's what I mean.
Heroes of Change, Kwame Sefaka have a program there. I bet different. Oh, sorry, Sefaka is doing it. Who wants to read? Like, I bet move to them and fear go there. No, then go there. I want to join the village. That they are nominated for Heroes of Change. I know, excuse me to say, we told but when I have disability, she's still trying. And I bet the women go. And young Danny teacher, I'm medium. I kept one of the finish video for one and is an score. A boy, it will have to like a live life normal. If you're not jealous, so home, even though she's with disability. So he was suggesting there that I'm a area and I'm nominated. So far, yes, we were able to do it. We can achieve. And look where achievements is the crown we use.
All right. And I'm going to do jam somebody that Nkawi got a telegraphic can make a go
As Pentecost University advanced to Southeast Zone semi-finals. Drug-resistant bacteria widespread in environments, industrial waste. EPA launches 5-point strategy to curb spread.
Okay, all right. So that's what we have for daily graphic, right? Okay.
The Metro Lens.
No, I can't hold on. Agbanama Punjo with the machine. No, hold it. A year after the helicopter crash, nation members for this boat. Abamaro, Fifi, no, to Copra, Vice President, Vice President.
For me, I think heroes or the Cabo family. And this is
okay, fine. That can do that more control. No wonder. Hey,
no wonder what?
No wonder you are losing relevance. No wonder you are losing relevance. What? Chacha didn't grab a capital. None of them didn't grab a Manaka. I can't join the social manager, Jagoma. It will be Fungi to be Shambon, Fungi to be Shambon. Because I think we join the social seriously. So I'm surprised that. They got okay, looks wrong. All right.
The medical lens. 1,000 joint MPPs, democracy under attack demo. Omanibo Aman's kind is difficult to find, said by our President Mahama. High Court suspends.
No, Togo. That Omanibo Kafmola, you could careful the paper.
Omanibo Aman's kind is difficult to find.
Minister of Environment and Science, I will replace the whole.
I mean, actually acting.
If we know and replace Minister Makradi, we cannot find Mutala's honesty. I put that in. No, hey, Mutala. Kemuniru. Anana. Amaro Rogo Giovio, Roma, Okoraka,
this service personnel.
Okay, so thousands join MPP's democracy attack demo. That is news. I go prepare a share a banner headline equally. A George Yapone democracy attack. You go Omani Buama is kind. It's difficult to find Mahama. I think that's good.
Yeah.
I go this objective reportage. Do you get it?
Yes.
Daily graphic.
High Court suspends Gazette of Paramount Chief of Anu Traditional Area.
Enum to my Fiagao, Padarima, Ugaro Fiarama, you burn no chop by a day she way you require them when you battle.
Assembly Hall to host Apostle Kwajo Safo Thanksgiving service.
That would be Safo. Okay. The over we get prep assembly hall. If you got prep, I might imagine how we prep college. Prep college. Okay, prep college. If you got go can come here. Prep. No prep should be kept close. Okay, next one.
The Informer. Mahama's ruthless pledge against Galamsey fails as Ghana remembers chop crash victims.
Mahama's ruthless crash against Galamsey fails.
Pledge against Galamsey fails.
Mahama's ruthless
pledge against Galamsey fails.
Era belike me na primary school na mi kere school ko na mi awo poem. Poem mi na poem wo ero ko poem abuja. Lion has a tail.
It has a big and a very small.
Please, bro.
Mama's ruthless pledge against Galamsey fails as Ghana remembers chopper crash victims.
Over a Huerca, you cover you Padis a helicopter to Mama, Benny, eh? Rumpuja. You charge the Galamsey. Look, won't you make your Galamsey? Okay, apa yang maki yang baru, banyak yang punya Supreme Court money. Apa yang maki uber won't you go joining banner pada ada never to kokonos. And then you can berapa kali saya main bang. Ini tahu lu tu juga mengakai pada ada pemula Timo. You know what I mean? Kau sesalnya, this is the pain. This is the pain.
But the animal was registered and announced to me.
Animal is considered a good tree. But not called Mother Review. I could add animal that trying to summer boy. Apparently, that's the vicarious. But you should put a vicarious. VICARIO. That you man to go along to my academy theology. Well, vicarious is over. You should put a Yesus berkata, baik bersama kau, mengharap nama Tuhan. Yesus berkata, Nabi Mungu, Yesus bapak berkata, Yesus negasi pulau Muito bem,
that's nice.
Ganhava para isso, já não vai só já batom, banho, eu vai na casa se eu pada eu champán machina, o ele chama eu quando 20 years, 25 years. Mama that's stop because na ye galam say ulani ye kimpi ye ulo boys so many boys go na ba you know o gi ye kimpi na ba mo ta wo ti paper ya gluton magbo galam say gaji magbo ga kimpi na kala mo. Hello?
Yeah.
All right, let's go quickly.
Bawumia speaks for Ghanaians. Says democracy must free citizens from fear.
Bawumia speaks for Ghanaians. Says democracy must free citizens from fear. Actually, in the video, I go Bawumia the video on my job. Demonstration one. You must go more. Look at the fiabe demonstration. Figure Bawumia no. Alo iro manio o kuro yung kuroji Solomon. No, we expect by Bawumia of Marialo. No, let's go back to history. No demonstration on them. Mahamad flag, but I have no. Yeah, but this is where we must think. War we but no free me nine, no free amare nine, no free amare nine. But the problem is that question I never American no free nine. American no free nine. Everybody pepper spread on money. Amade is the person one of you. Are you guys what I'm trying to say? That ain't me the street jiba demonstration. Ma ye Bawumia maloto ba nyama sebo. Nyama expect ba Bawumia no normal to man. Abuka demonstration I want to. That's what I would have expected there.
And Jema Glo, you want to be case Bawumia for
oh, like Alesia. Oh, you don't want to be more Bawumia yafma. Bawumia we yafma.
Ola era dogbele. All right.
But that's just it, alone.
But like the way Markins no na Nyaji, they should free him and his injustice and stuff.
No, nyama feel but Bawumia Bawumia na kung hado.
Okay.
Because the nyala court. Kaka yo ba di mo patana na ma. Obo na ba ka yi de sawa na yo ba ko no de But you there want to do more justice. But you said we don't want to do more justice. You want to quand on sait qu'il peut braga il est le mot ne peut yo bri oh la politique ah bon on doit na bi ma de la politique avec toi no wow you see cars expensive cars ya mira memang tak boleh bawa bawa nang nyala apa saja bawa tayo mo baso de bagay give for Ghana ya kan baru lo modita ya kan sudah samira rumah hanya aku nana kama usa esa i sana la o lo se wana tu esa la na o mama lo mo ka mama tu ya pernah ada short memory dari short memory uno de memang susu Claro, claro, vamos dizer, né? Aí.
22 million dollars lost. Gold world crashing Ghanaian's economy. IMF sounds alarm.
Oh, sama jadi itu apa? Obe gold board. Sami meu donhero. Sami because see the point is Sami never go bro TV but you more lost. Sami shy you more lost because Alex Sami on a campaign on a press or press. Nyata tu analis berpropaganda Fio ni sekarang dalam level generasi sekarang ini dia mahu sekarang
price boleh
sekarang you are selling shila and you are labar See me, the problem IMF, Sami jẹ fi chocolate na vulo
yo
o ka kene ba mi kra
ne gweranya
no ne ba mi kra ka no nyepe abaru bra de ka ro ba de mu chu ka ro ko to no bra lo ko kwa okay mira mi chu ba ma ba ka u ba ba Tami Mila Tuji. We want to see what Sami J feels. Sami J, I don't know. I'm a talk I don't know. 0242670773 02426770. Oh, you're not bad there, Chaka. 0242670773 you know like yatem ato ako aroje plimi cha mi o kata kholo gafi wana na wunu mi na kuku mi majujimo wonko your name wonko bla fike na ajero na mi chwe ejime miele 0242670773 is the number to use. Facebook, people are making comments on Facebook, and I'll be reading all your comments in the G if you trust me. And I'm Tony, Tony, G appellation, you know, so we got big name in King Dog, Africa. Uruku mkono fuasa amaroba akwakona shapanzi amaroba kwangwe jack Amarwa afwakoye Billy Bob. Da na bonawe Shabanti Jack Billy Bob. Africa Shabanti Jack Billy Bob.
Abdelo merci. Foi na boyo be matuch.
Voilà. Matuch. Fia ubona abona matuch bela amebe matuch ba. Amebe Shabanti do. Jack. Ya voya Chateau I am Tony, I remain Tony forever. I am professor. I am a Tony General. If we get money, we get money. We can have a title or something. Yeah, they got by. Professor,
Very reverend.
All right, people.
Abeno Markins gives 100 laptops to a full 2 teachers.
Abeno Markins gives 100 laptops to teachers. Babu. But I go in a laptop. Okay. Can you get about your man?
What time picture? If you need no teachers to wear good. Teacher the picture
This guy is shocked fast. So let us know. Tell me about you, man. I like the leadership. I like about you.
Oh. And you remember aside every choice of words sometimes, like he's okay, like he's doing well as a minister. He's doing
He's not a minister, he's a minority leader. So as a politician. You think he's doing well?
Oh yeah. Aside his choice of words.
Have you ever known Durham?
Like hey not so I don't know I'm a teacher go I love my radio station. So like aside his words, I feel it's okay. Stop diluting constitutional reforms, government told Professor Bafo Ajimandua.
Stop
diluting constitutional reforms.
Professor Ajimandua Balapifinya on any to popular so mina so clear engineer engage on job no constitutional reform no rule and that sense and it's basically constitutional reforms to call me on as a call me on. So me actual politicization, like nobody increase term limit, like president they cannot protocol for 5 years after we go election. It is in the interest of the nation. It time ago nya la fia ko nya re nya constitution expect on you like nya mi force balanya e baba jelo to be je maka para ga ya sa was na be odoro ma be president ana protocol for 5 years ka ji wo to a make a take effect.
Yes.
Over time. And now your grandma suggests now that when you take effect in maybe 2026 maybe. That when you take effect 2034. By that time, I'm going to NDCH, you know, allo MPPH, you know. I get what I'm trying to say. Good. Kaka now never changing mafia will change mafia. Okay? And Fifia never no for another 5 years. Allo polike ope doma hilo doma yaka be ope ba umya ko jiru dua na 9 no mabene ese nyama that time.
Yeah.
Akujisa.
Not really.
Mekarejo. Talo mpoko chama yento ebuji.
Ebe nuwa na we ya mi opo ya ta. Vote the many be am elect.
Okay. So, kakenyi blog memory. Uyora na la political science where incumbency abuse of incumbency. Oh, you very the one you know. You must say incumbency abuse.
Incumbency abuse.
It's a word. Abuse of incumbency. Abuse of incumbency. But you're blowing me. Aroya over Ebuji, Elabe, Ipame, Lafma, Roye, Toilefma, Abasha Lukenja, he can still be president or any of them, Cassel, Yamanyake, or a flagra nebolo. Allo, Professor Nanaji. Any one of them, you know what I mean? At them, I was president. We are not sure. I get what I'm trying to say. So, quickly, what I wanted to say was that abuse of incumbency. Atana American Navasu president because she jamie that me blab on me frustrate it's possible. You understand what I'm saying? Because we are never going to campaign. Let's stick with political tradition. Jane, ne NDC be a woman NDC na ele be professor na je ko ma na according to ne NDC be a woman ba le NDC wana mwe na then it must be Professor Jane because ne la ko olema
yes
I'm a bit so if that thing happens, have you ever we in a campaign budget? One Professor Nana James Problem. Nem Mahama Bega Plero, okay, Yaga Plereji. Tao one Zangaka, Baumia, one because so Jawa play to a woman, but not than a male. Go with me, time even less time a cry. Police or tap for Marona Camelino. You understand? The government, the election, last time I was right there at the social welfare center or junction at my I don't find a woman because always about Amade can you pulling assistant I make it Paji Poma. I'm going to Paji. Oh, Roger will grow near the Gmail, can you any discipline people over any single would now be. Can be Kaka, put it Kaka, Amayan Kuno. We will go to pay Papa Fiare. Go back over Fiabo tomorrow MVP. You, Gina. Hey, much over the journalist money I wrote much to I don't know better. Because that is abuse of what? Incumbency. Yo. Fast collection.
BEC results crisis deepens as GNAPS hands evidence nationwide. Yes. INSA flags weak economy, identifies 5 lines as causative factors.
Paper, last one, Emma.
And that's the info. Come here in the Chronicles.
Okay. What got that Megan Pogo in
The Chronicles. Police buzzed US $6.928 million cocaine haul in Tema. Dutch national 2 Ghanaians held. Let's build AR for Baume's victory. Kumasi hosts Apostle Sappho's Thanksgiving service tomorrow. That's why we pray college. I think that is all.
Okay, mine prepared on a chronicle. What for the Queen of Oguya Tanamika?
Okay. Proverbs 3:35. The wise will inherit honor, but fools get disgrace.
Oh.
Proverbs 3:35. The wise will inherit honor, but fools get disgrace.
Fear da makanya fulani. Okay, da amoke wise abe umani buama me o po honor. Nya susu ma alo di. Okay. Padi so ko disgrace anya payo. All right, so we go to comments. 02426707773 your number. I need 2 more comments and we will be done. Comment Bantocho Imano Sobo Yara Video to family by witness. So good morning to you, Imano Sobo, for that message. Check WhatsApp messages over side you check WhatsApp, no, Facebook, so that you know. All right, I need the Facebook quickly. Apollinaire Focados. Apollinaire Focados. Aba Madu Bernam Amesiamesino studio la. All right, Apollinaire. I just said. Española, Spanish to in the Yahoo. All right, give that people, but go higher, girl. Okay, I just think that people. Okay, goalkeeper. Okay, Prince Anani, but good work done. All right, I got go message on the Facebook after my good work done. Mary, how do you? Mary
Holanyo, well done.
Well done. All right, thank you for the message. That Apollinaire Focados. All right, let's go to WhatsApp. Mary, the message that was on the screen. We just have a little bit of time to do that. John Chuakachi, Tony Magboy, you are the best host on the Vega TV. John from Akachi, I like how you let both sides talk, but you control the show. All right, thank you for that. We have to control shows. Thank you for bringing us this news. Dave from Sukode doing the watch. Tony, you did do great job. All right, thank you for that. Message from Pat. Tony, we're watching from wherever. That demonstration was just noise. Government should continue with their job. Let's go ahead. Message the catch up of people to the bank. All right, Kofi from Dabe Banque. Mikondi Kofi from Banque. Kolebu has become the only hope for the poor, but now even that place is full. Me Neo Government. One of the thousands that have just been better. Amma, message thank you very much for bringing the story. Amma from Akachi, Dr. Bule spoke the truth. We need more hospitals. And Amma, and Yama, lost back on the doctor, first doctor. Evian will be a job of it doing. Ayo, last message, I should think. Message messages are coming out. I see, no to topic I call me and do not check. That last minute I go in a rush hour. I just have 2 minutes to wrap up. Message good morning. We are live from Takla. That thing about stabilized patients still coming to A and B is not fair at all. That's accident and emergency. Yeah. Next year, good morning. We are live from Dakla. That thing about stabilized patients still coming to NB is not fair at all. MFA. Hey, MFA. All right, thank you for your messages. Also soon, the one has come to Tony McBoy. You know me, McBoy, and you're blue. You don't have.
First, I channel ABC.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. It's about all right, don't my boy from but that one and you have honorable rich on them go fee, but those part of course, constituency where but I will that when you are J, that when you see every dictionary, that when mouth for more. Mouth money I would life extraordinary number one. We got another for free. Le Friday to Togo, le hours, 9 hours. Le Pola, Bacana, okay, free to the number of messages down here. Mia Wo Ledojiro watching you live from Melbourne. Thank you, Faith. And that's the last message. Namisia. Okay. Akonami Mbola Nkekama Ne Nyuma.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a zone fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language you want. Then you make a maneuver with you. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know how. I'm a Sammy can never be mutual rapport. And be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know what, Mama. Now let's look also so mad than a player. At place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can WhatsApp. I feel African la. Nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua conveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi bụi, ta nhà chú má tra đi tôi, một vài nhà uống sữa bật khét lệ.
Oh,
những má vật phẩm, những má thằng má chung, má nói chỉ câu vô bụng.
ta na bi Abraham fi baraka ne le ya pati ka tipanya gbogbo ya wa. Bas husband na di le no na fia. Ko ina duna fa gare wonye ya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya no kura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko ka tara ge.
Bo. Má nói chỉ câu
Vai batakalo subo. Ita bi ga da de secrement tonto. Bola pati ka wa busielo weto fira.
Mai ira vola to gbo. Ye man no chika ko mo pong jaja.
Vola chika no no pla. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga na mashama na zin.
Nyapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Ma una ira vola to. Ona wala masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina ne mi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yo la nya deba vola e fi valo akloli le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now e ti de padaka o futo makata mele to woni de wa e ti maklo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jango applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa puto wo fukame o fukame tutu dokada vola heba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vikle de fio mo hokwa wie fo